This is the spec'd up i9 2.3 gigahertz 5500M 8 gigabytes graphics, and this is the base one, complete base. And we're going to be seeing how fast it compiles and launches the simulator. 3, 2, 1, go. Compilation wise, the i9 just about beat the i7 with 16 gigabytes RAM. This one of course has 32 gigabytes RAM. The simulator has fired up on both, so let's get into view. And for some reason, the i7 has beat the i9, so I'm gonna close it up and try it out again. That was a bit weird. Let's try a different simulator. Let's try the iPhone 11. Clean the build. 3, 2, 1, go. And the i9 was once again a split second ahead. Okay, for some reason the simulator doesn't want to launch on the i9, so let's just end it there. Alright, this is another one of my apps. Let's see which one compiles first. 3, 2, 1. Oh wait. Let's select simulator. iPad 11 Pro. iPad Pro 11. 3, 2, 1, go. And this one has failed. It's the exact same code. This is why coding sucks. The exact same code. Simulator works here, doesn't work there. This one compiles, this one doesn't. So yeah, CPUs are going to make the difference. Your brain is